Hey Google TV users, are you facing issues with YouTube not working on your device? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll tackle the problem of how to fix Google TV YouTube not working and get you back to watching your favorite videos in no time. Whether it's a buffering issue, a blank screen, or the app not opening at all, we've got you covered with effective solutions. So let's jump right into it and explore how you can resolve these common problems. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you want to do is ensure your Google TV has a stable internet connection. Verify Wi-Fi connectivity. Make sure your device is connected to your Wi-Fi network. You can go to the settings and reconnect to your network if necessary. Test internet speed. If your Wi-Fi is connected but YouTube is still causing problems, it might be due to slow internet speed. Try using a speed test app on your phone or computer to ensure you have a minimum speed of 5 megabytes per second for standard definition or higher for HD videos. Restart router. Sometimes simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity issues. Give it a try if you're experiencing persistent problems. Step 2. Update the YouTube app. Outdated versions of the YouTube app can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Navigate to the Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your Google TV device. Check for updates. Go to the My Apps section and look for the YouTube app. If an update is available, make sure to install it. Having the latest version can resolve bugs that might be causing the app to malfunction. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Accumulated cache and data can sometimes interfere with app performance. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your Google TV. Find apps. Click on apps and then select YouTube. Clear cache and data. Here you have the options to clear both the cache and data. Start with clearing the cache. If the problem persists, clear the data, but keep in mind this will remove your app preferences and signed-in accounts. Step 4. Restart the Google TV device. A simple restart can sometimes do wonders for resolving technical glitches. Use the remote. Press and hold the power button on your Google TV remote until the device restarts. Unplug and replug. Alternatively, you can physically unplug your Google TV device, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Step 5. Reset your Google TV. If all else fails, resetting your Google TV to factory settings might be necessary as a last resort. Factory reset. Go to the settings and find the option for factory reset. Keep in mind that this will erase all personal data and settings, so use this option judiciously after ensuring all other solutions have been tried. Have your Google account details handy to set your device back up after a reset. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Google TV YouTube not working and get back to enjoying the endless stream of content YouTube offers. Whether it's ensuring a stable internet connection, updating the app, clearing cache, or restarting your device, these simple solutions often do the trick. Remember, a factory reset is always a final option if nothing else works. Rest assured that these fixes will empower you to troubleshoot effectively and enjoy YouTube once again on your Google TV. Happy streaming.